Life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. You may have never heard of us. No matter where you are, no matter what you do, we have been there in your life for the last 64 years, making a difference to your lives. Maps. The primary tools for spatial analysis are the blueprints of our history. Maps have helped emperors win wars and encouraged humans to venture into different worlds. Maps have not just simplified human life, but also served as tools for social, economic, political, and all forms of change. Maps and atlases created by us are helping build cities for the future, helping people to live more responsible lives. We help policymakers and planners to drive success by using our maps and atlases, which are constantly advancing and pushing boundaries. Creating holistic development, make policies, can take a big toll on Earth. Therefore, our innovations not only help in solving problems of pure sciences and earth science, but also help in solving problems of social sciences and the society at large. We are using world's leading technologies because the next generation will inherit the world shaped by our actions today. We are NATMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, a subordinate office under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Today, we are the pioneer institution dealing with atlas cartography, thematic cartography, urban mapping, geographical researches, web GIS, publication, GIS development and management, international cooperation, training and education. We work on diversified themes. You may think that in the age of GPS, what can NATMO maps do? Okay, let us explain it. Suppose India's population is 136 crores today. We can prepare demographic structure out of this by using geospatial technology. Not only that, the need of food, infrastructure and other facilities needed for our present-day age group of 10 to 15 years can also be yielded through geospatial techniques. This 10 to 15 years age group's needs, when they turn 30 years old, can also be projected using geospatial information. Till date, NATMO has conceived and published more than 800 themes under the broad categories of physical, social, economic, and environmental disciplines. In 1953, the legacy of NATMO was started when Padma Bhushan Professor S.P. Chatterjee, the doyen of Indian geography, introduced a plan to compile the National Atlas of India in Hindi. A map of Bengal prepared by Professor Chatterjee showed religion-based distribution of population. This unique work, Bengal in Maps, was released soon after the partition of the country. The first Prime Minister Pandit Nehru's nod to compile National Atlas of India in 1954 inspired Professor Chatterjee to design numerous thematic maps and atlases under the patronage of Pandit Nehru. On 18 August 1956, a small unit was established as full-fledged organization called National Atlas Organization. Later in 1978, it was renamed as NATMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Contemplating that maps and atlases provide an easy-to-use means of seeing the big picture, NATMO set up its offset printing unit in 1986, but later shifted to digital printing. NATMO constantly uses new emerging technologies. The earlier practices of manual works have been replaced by digital technologies.
NATMO has changed total mapping system from manual system to that analog system, and from analog system now NATMO is completely under the digital platform.
Through the digital library of NATMO, now people can access e-version of Indian maps along with thematic maps. Soon the new data center will help NATMO's huge data generated, which was collected under various projects.
We want to validate and collect the data through the field by using the survey, latest technology survey, drone mappings, LiDAR and DGPS systems.
Once in place, this data will be in public domain 24/7.
NATMO जियो पोर्टल का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कॉमन पीपल तक के NATMO के 65 ईयर्स के पब्लिकेशंस को कॉमन सिटीजन तक पहुंचाना। पहले ये मैप्स और एटलस हार्ड कॉपी के फॉर्म में अवेलेबल था और अब NATMO इसे वेब पर पब्लिश करने जा रहा है, जिसका यूज़ कॉमन सिटीजन कर सकते हैं। इसमें एक ख़ास टूल है जो क्रिएट माई मैप। इसका यूज़ कर कोई भी कॉमन सिटीजन अपने डेटा के थ्रू मैप जनरेट कर सकते हैं।
Users will be able to access any data or any product of NATMO at any point of time.
Now NATMO is entering in the field of digital technology in the form of apps, and that is the latest technology.
Many ongoing programs of NATMO like National Atlas Project, Golden Map Services, Map and Braille, District Planning Map Series, Women Empowerment Atlas, monographs, Cultural Heritage Atlas and School Atlases are helping in simplifying lives at various levels. National Atlas Project, a flagship program of NATMO, focuses on the country's geology, geography, geomorphology, demography and culture, etc. A preliminary edition of the National Atlas of India in Hindi, popularly known as Bharat Rashtriya Atlas, was brought out in 1957 by the founder-director Professor S.P. Chatterjee, which contained 300 multicolored plates in 8 volumes, comprised of almost every aspect of geographical environment. Due to its excessive demand, NATMO keeps revising, updating and publishing it on a regular basis. Golden Map Services. Under this program, NATMO aims to map the entire country on the large-scale maps up to the village level. It involves large-scale mapping of areas using high-resolution satellite data. But how do they do it?
We go to the interior of the villages, to the remote areas where the general people could not access, but the field surveyor of NATMO generally used to go there. We collect the data from the field, and after coming back, these all are incorporated within a specified geographical information system.
This faster, up-to-date, accurate and cost-effective data can also be helpful for the planning of rural development and better planning, monitoring, management and good governance of urban areas. Recently, NATMO has initiated mapping of Bidhan Nagar postal code zone in 1:10,000 scale to depict the postal code zones of the entire Bidhan Nagar municipality. Once ready, the residents of various zones of Bidhan Nagar will be able to find all the amenities available in the area they reside in. Honoring its commitment of social responsibility, NATMO published Atlas for Visually Impaired, depicting various themes like physical, socio-economic, river system, crop patterns, natural vegetation, cultural, metropolitan areas, roads and railways and crops, etc.
The journey of the Braille Atlas in NATMO started in the year 1997. The first Braille map inscribed on a zinc plate. Thereafter, several research and developments have been done to make this atlas convenient for the students.
In the Braille Atlas, maps are raised and embossed with simple lines and point symbols to facilitate their users to realize the location and area coverage easily distinguishable in terms of shapes and textures.
NATMO published so many atlases in Braille atlas in different languages like English, Hindi, Bengali, and the Assamese, Odia, Telugu, Malayalam and Gujarati language atlas are on the pipeline.
NATMO also organizes Braille school contests and workshops for students and teachers on a regular basis. A mobile app in progress will further enhance the capacities and capabilities of visually challenged to understand the world around them. Once developed, this app will enable visually challenged people to touch and detect their location, and then the voiceover will guide them to their destination.
Actually, our motto is to introduce Braille system in thematic mapping and to introduce this Braille system in school curriculum also.
NATMO is the first organization in India who first thought of producing Braille map for blind children. They could independently read the information, because in a NATMO map, along with the graph, you are summarizing the data. They're independently reading the information. It is provoke curiosity to learn more. They are now learning to relate history with geography. So that is something remarkable. And I would say it's the dedication of Madam Director and her staff.
Tourism helps boost economy, and Tourism Map is one of the most important tools in promoting tourism. NATMO's state-wise book format tourist maps cover all the detailed tourist information on a scale of 1:1 million. These maps provide guidance to tourists in identifying and finding the best tourism spots in the area. NATMO's upcoming project on Kedarnath tourism shows the situation before and after Kedarnath's disaster and the new routes discovered by authorities. The main map shows different types of geographical amenities of Kedarnath. Apart from that, 3 inset maps show Gaurikund and Kedarnath area before and after the disaster, and geomorphology and rock structure of Kedarnath area.
हम लोग NATMO में स्टेट एटलस भी बनाते हैं। स्टेट एटलस में हम सभी इंटायर डिटेल्स दिखाते हैं कि स्टेट के बारे में। हमारे स्टेट एटलस बहुत सारा निकल चुका है, जिसमें है पंजाब स्टेट एटलस, बिहार का स्टेट एटलस, झारखंड स्टेट एटलस, अभी हमारा सबसे रिसेंट एटलस है गोवा का।
District Planning Map Series, a unique project, received much popularity and appreciation.
DPMS अर्थात जिला योजना मानचित्र का मुख्य उद्देश्य है प्लानिंग, चाहे वो सरकार की हो, केंद्र सरकार की हो, या जो भूगोल वेत्ता हैं या जो अनुसंधान करता हैं, ये मानचित्र उपयोगी है।
Till date, the DPMS project of NATMO has covered almost 280 districts in the country. Different geographical parameters of the district are shown in 9 insets, and the main map is shown on a scale of 1:250,000. It is a ready reckoner to the planners, researchers and students for having a complete idea about the district. These maps are available both in paper and in digitized format in Hindi and in English. Women Empowerment Atlas highlights the gap areas in difficulties faced by women, and it spreads the knowledge to the common people so that they can understand what issues are prevalent now and what solutions can be given to eradicate those problems. Initially, thematic areas like education, religious composition, crime against women, and government support in different science and technology areas have been taken up on priority. India is a pot of melting cultures. It is blessed by its magnificent and legendary diversity of cultures and languages. NATMO's Cultural Heritage Atlas program is an attempt towards a better understanding of the nation. The first edition of Cultural Heritage Atlas was published in 2007. The revised edition is on the scale of 1:1/4M, having 31 maps divided into 6 parts such as introductory maps, religion and publicity, bhakti movement, social reform, art and culture, performing arts, monographs, This project is dedicated to the study and research analysis on different themes. NATMO has also successfully compiled Agricultural Atlas, Forest Atlas, Hydrological Atlas, Atlas on Micronutrients of Soil, etc. The recent monograph titled Delhi, City of Cities provides a historical review of Delhi city and highlights historical events connected to Delhi through various thematic maps. Many people from different states and neighboring countries visit Kolkata for treatments. NATMO's medical tourism map of Kolkata not only provides information related to healthcare facilities available in healthcare domain, but also mentions the details of the places of interest. India has clear 300 sunny days. If tapped properly, this unlimited energy can transform India. Considering this, NATMO launched a 3D mapping project to find out the potential sites for rooftop solar paneling.
We are doing a research work to find out the potential rooftop for the PV installation. Main motto of NATMO, to find out the potential rooftop for the PV installation. From our model, one can easily find out which portion of the rooftop is more suitable rather than using the whole rooftop.
This project also helps for betterment of environment by reducing the emission of carbon dioxide caused by the burning of fossil fuels. A pilot study to prepare large-scale 3D mapping using advanced technology involves integration of data captured from highly specialized mapping technology tools like GPS, UAV, photogrammetry remote sensing and GIS. The advantages of 3D mapping are manifold. School Atlases. NATMO has already published 5 volumes of school atlases, and the 6th edition is under process with some significant modifications and alterations of the previous publication with updated data. In the upcoming new school atlas, all the maps will be accompanied by narration that is as good as references, which is in addition to textbooks. NATMO's international collaboration with GIS TDA Bangkok in the field of geospatial technology and atlas cartography aim to strengthen bilateral relations between the ASEAN nations in the field of science and technology.
So this collaboration is the outcome of the Look East policy of India and Look West policy of Thailand in strengthening the bilateral relationships.
This project helped explore the spread of Buddhism, origin of various sects of Buddhism, royal patronages received by Buddhism, the spread of arts and paintings of Buddhist period, etc. India ASEAN Archaeological Atlas has also been published in collaboration with the government of Thailand. NATMO's Documentation Center and Library's huge collection of books and archival maps provides a good service to technocrats, professors, postgraduate students and undergraduate students of geography.
Geography is a very vast canvas which includes soil sciences, plant sciences, climatology, geology, rocks and minerals.
The rich repository of this center includes atlases on various themes and purposes. Numerous themes conceived and processed by NATMO are available in hard copy format for sale price at NATMO's sale counters at reasonable prices. Digital mapping and GIS division is another important area of intervention. GIS technology combines information from maps with other data about people, the land, climate, farms, houses, businesses, and much more, allowing multiple sets of data to be displayed on a single map. Many industries and governments use GIS technology for analysis and decision-making. Training is one of the major aspects of NATMO's activities. Major training programs of NATMO are Digital Mapping and GIS, Global Positioning System, Remote Sensing and GIS, digital mapping and cartographic reproduction.
NATMO has been offering internship programs since 2017. Here students are coming from various institutions for their project work for 2 to 6 months. Here students are getting unique environment for learning mapping through remote sensing GIS techniques.
We are working on topographical map in the scale of 2.5 lakhs. We have extracted the base layer, that is like drainage and boundary. And further, we will work on telecommunication. Right now, we are working on road, and it will help on GeoPortal further in thematic mapping too.
Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 pandemic has posed an unprecedented challenge to global healthcare systems, societies and governments. NATMO's COVID-19 dashboard is a single window platform to integrate all government department data, including initiatives related to combating COVID-19. It helps to create awareness and provides authentic information about COVID-19.
With the new kind of infrastructure development, definitely NATMO will be one of the significant institutions in India. Presently also it is doing very well. They have produced a good number of maps.
Since our inception, we, the NATMO, have taken a quantum leap. The journey has been challenging but rewarding. Leaving age-old practices, we excelled in the digital world and created products which helped India create policies and sustainable programs for commoners. Thematic maps are just the products. We are always keen to adopt emerging and advanced technologies in the field of geospatial sciences, database management, mapping and cartography. You may not know us, but our products are helping transform India at every level. We are on the way to becoming a distinguished institution in the world for providing quality products and services in the field of atlas and thematic cartography for education, planning, environmental management, national economy, and for the common people.